To replace a legend, if you will, the flagship of the industry, is a very daunting task.
The UniMac products are designed for a very different market, the commercial market. The commercial market is a tough market.
The new UW comes available in a 65, and we also have a 45-pound capacity. We took a lot of customer input in terms of what were the things we could work on, what we could improve. So some of the things we did is strengthen the frame and the shaft and the drive and those major components even beyond where they're at today. If we talk about the frame specifically, we've increased the strength of the shaft and the cylinder assembly to be able to withstand even more out of balance weight and abusive loads.
The frames down in the lab that we're testing literally have been designed for anything over and above what the market will ever throw at them.
The parts get cut and bent right here.
It's a similar design on a 60. This frame actually weighs twice as much. With the new technology and using plate steel, we're able to use very consistent plate, plasma cut, robotic weld into a box design, which is much stronger.
Without the test lab and Alliance Laundry Systems, UniMac products would never see the light of day in a commercial laundry market. They buy UniMac for one reason only. Every time they push to start, the machine runs.
Being industrial quality, it needs to be able to handle that 10, 20 or more cycles every day, cycle after cycle, with loads that are generally stuffed full. So it's built to withstand a different level of use. One of the new features is the 400G top speed and final extract, and our new drive systems have a final high speed of 400G, fastest hard mount on the planet, as we like to say.
We're the biggest commercial laundry manufacturer in the world for a good reason. We understand what the product goes through day after day after day.
One of the things about UW that is a distinct advantage versus pretty much any competitive machine is how fast it fills. You're able to shower the load at an appropriate extract speed. The spray rinse will allow you to use less water and be more energy efficient. It's required to control our spray rinse feature. Unilink, what makes it so convenient is the fact you can see what's going on the display as you're operating.
They are the most rugged, the most durable washer-extractors built for the OPL industry.
Reduced the number of bolts, made things simpler for our customers in terms of install. So you actually got to get a flat wrench or it's difficult to get in. We now gave them vertical access to the bolting. It seems like a minor thing, but those little conveniences go a long way in terms of being able to be efficient and get the product installed.
Long after your equipment has been installed, the sense of permanence with Alliance Laundry Systems will make UniMac a partner for life.
It's always good to have something new, an exciting look, an exciting product that delivers. It takes that all to another level.